That's
No.
I've been doing this all night. You finally did it?
Whose turn is it?
It went away.
You're doing a good job.
No, it went away.
I love it.
It went away. There's no more hiccups.
Yes, good job.
All right.
5.
She got rid of the hiccups, everyone.
6.
So great.
There you go.
Oh, I apologize. She did not.
She needs a spoonful of sugar.
Oh, I like sugar.
It makes the medicine go down.
A spoon of sugar and some water.
That's the worst part about the hiccups is everybody giving you their remedies. All right, you're playing, girl. You got a 6.
Somebody said if you pushed your tongue up against the roof of your mouth, that kind of helps stop too, but it's never worked for me.
It's a 10. Bottoms up. I got a 3.
What do we got?
I got a 3. God, I'm having some problems. At least I don't have the hiccups. That's good.
Ready?
Yeah, this is a problem.
Yeah,
Esteban's here.
Shit. Damn it.
You're a winner, Esteban.
Oh.
And you know who's great? My buddy right
a
here.
winner? Like
And
a
my
winner?
charming wife.
Like an Oscar by a winner?
Oscar Mayer.
She said that. All right, you get to play anything you want, Nancy.
Go for it.
Oh, it's empty.
Yeah.
Boss hair, for the record. Yes.
Oh, come on.
All right. 5 or lower.
Karma's a bitch, compadre.
That's good. That tequila is so delicious.
5 or lower, sorry. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
I'll
Cheater.
bring another bottle for you.
For the record, I'm going to win. You're going to bring me another bottle? I heard that.
Yeah.
Oh, he recorded it, so you have to.
Yeah, you have proof now.
For you.
We got to get a picture of the baby.
Uh-oh, damn it. Oh, you gotta use what's
Does
in
she
your
have
hand
flash?
first.
No,
No flash, please.
I'm videotaping.
Oh my god, what the
Your wife's out of control, but like,
I know. What's going on?
she's hiccuping. It's so bad.
Well, it's good. It's been a while.
It's
So, yeah.
I know, right? This is the best thing. This is what we need.
Give it another shot, tequila.
Oh, no. I don't want to get her sick. She's doing great. She's quite the dancer, too.
Oh.
dancer?
When did you dance?
I don't know.
Hey, we all got to get through
Here?
college,
Okay.
dude.
Where did you dance? That's the question. I didn't see you.
We're in trouble.
All right, whose play is it? Is it Esteban?
My compadre.
Compadre. Cabron.
Am I, what?
Play.
My turn? Okay. I'm gonna be nice. Sorry, there you go.
Oh, nice. It's a 3.
You put that down. I can up you.
15. Oh, but you know what? I think up to the 3 for you, Shmoo.
Shmoo?
Shmoo. She's my Schmoopy, yeah.
8.
You know what I saw, dear? It was so cute. There was this old couple, and the guy was dragging the girl around, and they were taking a walk. They must have been 70 years old. Right up here where we live. It's going to be us. I'm not going to lie. I'm like, let's go. Come on. We're going to go walk up the street. Seriously, it was cute.
One more block.
One more block, and she's just like in her dress, and she looked like she was rushing, but she was very slow.
She was not rushing.
She was not rushing at all. There was no hurry there.
I got this.
You do have
I'm
that.
safe.
Yeah, that's true.
Cartwheel. You don't.
You don't have one, right? So I'm going to say the same thing, just like she did.
Oh my God, Tom is gonna win.
Why? How many more do you
only
have
have one
left?
One more.
18.
And you
can play
it's
anything,
only a
right?
wild card, huh?
For the record, I did say I was going to win.
I can play.
Yeah, I can see you have wild cards.
9.
Yes, it's
He's
my
gonna-
man.
yeah,
It's
he's
so
my
nice to
man.
have my man here.
But wait a second. So now, if you have one card that are the same, can you put those down?
Exactly. Same amount you want.
Shit!
I
I
to-
should have. I could have put that down.
Then you should have.
Can I still do it?
When it's your turn, you bet.
No, like after.
I don't think so. You got to play 5 or higher now.
How about if I were to do this?
Oh, pay 5 or lower, but it don't matter because what? Oh,
I knew it. You was
my man.
right?
Look at this. I could have put that down